Hey everyone, welcome to the show. So recently, I shared with all of you that an attorney for failed Republican candidate Kari Lake was facing suspension of his law license. They hit him for filing a frivolous election lawsuit on her behalf, and the Arizona State Bar recommended a 6-month suspension. So this was for attorney Brian Blem. And the guy didn't even bother to show up for the hearing. I mentioned that in the last video. You guys will probably recall, not only did he not show up, but he posted this lengthy video on social media. He was whining about how unfair it all was, how he's being silenced, oh, they're just trying to silence me for the election because I'm such this incredible MAGA attorney. I mean, guy's got an ego on him. And he also was like cursing. He flipped off the camera, which was definitely interpreted as being flipping off this, appeals board or this disciplinary board. So after all of that, the judges presiding over his disciplinary case decided to give him basically a little more than a slap on the wrist. They raised concerns about the 6-month request being political, and they decided to suspend his license for only 60 days. And then he's going to be on probation for 1 year after that. He has to take 5 hours of continuing education classes in legal ethics and professional responsibility. And he also has to pay the state bar's costs for bringing this action against him. So I guess the takeaway here is you can lie to the court, you can lie about the facts of a case, you can blow them off, you can not even bother to show up for hearings, you can be completely disrespectful to them online, and they're just like, thank you, sir, may I have another? So, it's so obvious that their decision was political. Right? I would really love to know how they would have handled this case if this was any other attorney, if this did not involve a political matter, and not during such a polarized time in our country. This is completely disgraceful. They are not going to deter attorneys from lying to the court and filing frivolous lawsuits with rulings like this. So, he got slapped with a minimal fine, and now they give him 60 days. So it's a complete joke. Anyway, I'm sure we'll hear more about this guy. Something tells me we're going to hear more about him. So I will let you know when or if I hear more. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you have not. If you can donate, truly helps to keep the show going. I've got links in the description box below on YouTube and the podcast. So greatly appreciate it. Love you all. Take care. Talk with you soon.